In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the default theme in Microsoft Edge. Restoring the default theme can help ensure that your browser looks the way you are accustomed to, especially if you've been experimenting with different themes and colors. So, let's get started and guide you through these simple steps. First, let's open Microsoft Edge. Locate the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar and click on it. If you have multiple tabs open, don't worry, you can perform these steps without affecting any of your current browsing activities. Once Edge is up and running, you're ready to move on to the next part. Now, in the top right corner of Edge, you'll see three dots. This is often referred to as the More Options button, or simply the menu icon. By clicking this, you'll gain access to a wide range of settings and options. So, go ahead and click on those three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to select Settings. It might be a familiar view if you've personalized other parts of your browsing experience before. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page where you can see various options for adjusting how Edge works and looks. On the left side of the Settings page, there'll be a list of options. Look for and click on Appearance. Selecting this will bring you to the page where you can adjust how your browser visually presents itself. Now, this is where we bring things back to the default theme. As you look to the right, you'll see several settings related to appearance. Focus in on the section labeled Theme. Here, you'll see the option called Restore Default. This particular setting is what you need to click to revert to the familiar, standard look of Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and click on Restore Default. After clicking it, you should notice the immediate change back to the default theme of Edge. This change will remove any custom themes or color effects you might have previously applied. And there you have it. You've successfully restored the default theme in Microsoft Edge. If you ever decide to revisit this process and explore other aesthetic options, you now know exactly where to return. Customizing your browser can be a fun way to enhance your browsing experience, but sometimes returning to the default can bring a breath of familiarity and simplicity. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to check out more of our guides for other handy tips and tricks. Have a great day and enjoy browsing with your newly customized Edge browser.